If you want to go ahead and give more information about your content or website or company whatsoever, you can go ahead and utilize something called the About block. So over here, I got a blank page with no blocks in it. So if I want to go ahead and add an About block to it, I can go around onto the left hand side and click on Add New Section. Then over here under About, you can see that there's different About blocks. For example, there's this one right here. Let me just go ahead and add in other About blocks right here, just like this as well. So About block, as you can see right here, is an information giving block right here, which simply has places for text, places for lost text right here, which allows you to go ahead and add in contents. For example, over here, you can see that since I generated my website with AI, I already have, let's say, for example, information about my channel. So it says empower your learning journey and so forth. And you even have option to add in extra image in some of these and add in buttons right here as well. But moreover, the purpose of these blocks right here are organized in a way so that you can go ahead and give information to your viewers of your page. So that is how you can go ahead and then utilize out About blocks to go ahead and add in text information about what you have in your page in Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.